and thanks for watching. So today the topic is, and this really talks to the client as well as to a practitioner, is as a practitioner, when we have a client and they come walking in, no injury, nothing is really different than the day before, why is it that their particular routines now are creating pain? So in this particular instance, you're going to see a client, very, very active. But the bottom line is there was no injury. There was nothing that, hey, I did this and now I feel that. So as a clinician, what do? So what you're going to see, and I'll explain a little bit ahead of time, is that this particular client was fine, then was experiencing right thigh issues. It was sharp, it was dull. Bottom line is when they're working out, you can actually see, because we videotaped it, the actual main problem of pain in the box squat, why she was actually offloading onto her left side to de-weight the right side. So as an active release practitioner, all right, what's the same, better, worse? This is what we're looking for. What movements make it better? What movements make it worse? Let's look at it. And then after we deal with it, if it's not 100%, okay, we need to look elsewhere. Where else are we going to look? And this is what you're going to see in the film. So stay tuned and wait for the ending. I think you'll be surprised. So here we are watching the client. Again, it's not exact science. We didn't have our artificial intelligence hooked up. But as you can see, even with just the red line, not even being exact midline, you can see how she's weight shifting. We've already worked on the thigh, yet there's still weight shifting going on, and there's a torsional component to her pelvis. Here again, we're looking at it, and she's trying to realign herself. It is not quite right. So what we're going to see in the next few frames is we've slowed the motion down, and now you're going to see just that weight shift in the pelvis. See it? Watch it. Now, we've already worked on her. The blue line is on the side because notice how the body is now adjusting correctly to the firing patterns that are now much more normalized up in the hip and the pelvis. Again, so what we're hoping that you glean from this is that once we've taken care of the thigh, there was still other issues, and the issue was the right foot as well. Taking care of the right foot ankle region actually helped to normalize her box squat. We perform box squats all day long. So again, as clinicians, we need to look elsewhere. As a client, make sure that you are matched up well with a clinician who can think outside of a box. Thanks, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.